This is new tonight. Some Republicans in Georgia's Senate want to make sure public schools never require COVID vaccines for its students or teachers.
The bill's sponsor says it is unclear whether vaccines work, despite the CDC, FDA, and the WHO, the World Health Organization, supporting them. 11 Alive's Doug Richards has more on the backlash toward all of this.
This was a Republican vaccine bill that immediately drew strong criticism, forcing the bill's sponsor to walk it back a bit. The measure comes from the nationwide movement to resist COVID vaccines. Despite strong evidence, they are safe and effective.
I was aghast. I was horrified.
The bill says no government agency shall require proof of any vaccination of any person. The bill includes public school districts.
And so I was very concerned to see this legislation that would completely take vaccines out of schools.
For years, public schools have required childhood vaccinations of their students.
And I think the whooping cough and polio and measles, they probably need to stay the same because we've nearly eradicated a lot of that.
Senator Jeff Mullis says he will rewrite the bill, but intends to still try to make it illegal for schools to require COVID vaccines.
And I'm talking about COVID only.
So the other diseases you mentioned got eradicated in large part because of vaccines, right?
Yeah, that's true. But we don't know about COVID-19 yet. The vaccinations, if they're working or they're not.
That is misinformation.
Epidemiologist Rebecca Mitchell says data shows vaccines have saved lives.
We have had longstanding community buy-in that what we do with our vaccine programs is we protect people.
And they're walking it back, but I don't think this is the last of this kind of anti-vaccine legislation.
As chairman of the Rules Committee, Senator Mullis is one of the most powerful Republicans in the building. Before he announced he would change it, half of the Republicans in the state Senate had co-sponsored Mullis's vaccine bill.